Hey y'all. Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, today's a normal day. Just kidding. So if you don't know, I'm a adopting builder. Yeah, but I don't do build videos because I'm broke. So today I'm gonna try to make a office in Bloxburg. Yeah, so I made a Bloxburg house like 100 times, but I'm not even good at it. So don't send hate, okay? Anyways, let's stop talking.
If the world was ending, it's getting late, wanna fade away into the ocean waves. I don't wanna stay carrying this weight that will never go away. Are we falling deep or are we just pretending? Would you stay with me if the world was ending? Are we meant to be or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me